The next thing we're going to do is make a tool caddy. So you're going to get to use the skills that we've shown you during this workshop, which is drilling a pilot hole, using a countersink bit, driving the screws in with control, okay, to make your own tool caddy. What we're going to use is, obviously, we're going to use our drill driver, a standard holder. We're also going to be using a drill bit to make the pilot hole. And the screws we're going to be using is 4mm diameter screws. Also going to be using our countersink bit. And then we also going to need a spade bit. And the last thing we're going to be using is a staple gun. So I'm going to hand you over to Nancy, and Nancy's going to do the project with you and explain step by step how to make your tool caddy. So good luck, guys.
So the first step that we're going to do, let me show you the finished product. It's gonna look like this. Okay, so the first step that I'm going to show you, if we start making this, there is nothing that's gonna stop you making more projects, because you're going to use most of the attachments that you have learned from this workshop. We have got 2 side pieces, front and back. We have got the dowel and then the base. First of all, we are going to mark where we are going to put our dowels. Let's measure at the bottom. I think that's a great idea. We go up again. Where the shape starts, we want to determine the center of this angle. Second step, we're going to mark where we're going to attach our front and back panels.
And you can do this on the other one as well.
Remember, we've already marked where we're going to put the handle. The following step is we're going to drill pilot holes. Okay, we're going to make countersink on the opposite side of the handle holder, where we're going to attach screws. Next step, we're going to attach the front panel to the side panel.
That was our DIY Divas workshop. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you learned something from it. And please don't hesitate to get in touch with us if you need more information on power tools or DIY.